gonna try to make this super duper quick. I just posted a video this morning and about Shopmium and Microsoft Bing, and because a ton of us, well, if you didn't watch that video, basically I guess Shopmium did an update that made it where it excluded the US and the whole app was in a different language. And so a lot of people were kind of like, okay, I guess we can't use it. And I assumed the same thing, that we couldn't use that app, right? So, but my app actually never updated. And a lot of you guys were saying that when it updated, you had this change. So I was trying to catch up with all of the comments, and it looks like it's some type of glitch where they did some type of maybe software update, and that's what happened. So it appears that it has been fixed, and one of you guys, well, a few of you guys, I pinned one of your comments, coupon with case, I think was the person I pinned to that video. And she was saying just delete the app and reinstall it. And if it looks like a few of you guys have done it, and it does appear to be working for you. So if you are having issues with the Shopmium app, try deleting the app and then reinstalling it, and then choosing the United States, and it should be fine. That's what she said. So, and I don't need to do it because my app is the same. I even deleted the app and reinstalled to see if it would change, and it was actually the same. So it should be working as of now. Now, the only thing is, are we gonna have more rebates added to the app? Because as y'all know, like, we haven't been getting a lot of new rebates as far as Shopmium. So I'm hoping with the fact that Alexa is ending, that hopefully Shopmium will start adding back more rebates. But big shout out to Coupon with Case, our Cass, for that. Another thing I wanted to mention really quick, and I probably should have thrown in a screen record, but for the Alexa app, because a lot of you guys are saying your Alexa app is gone. So I'm gonna do a screen record. I'll probably pop it in like right here. But basically, when you're on the Alexa app, it's funny because some of you guys were like, oh, there's a Alexa app, and I'm like, we've been using it for what, 2 years? And a lot of you guys have said that you never got into Alexa. A lot of you guys are saying you always had problems with Alexa. I think when we first started using Alexa, I used to have issues a lot, and eventually it got easier. But I mean, the representatives, they are still as clueless. They were still as clueless as ever, and they would just reverse charges of stuff that I bought. They would just reverse it, or some of them would even reverse my Prime payment. And so a lot of the times they were clueless as to what it even was anyway. So I guess I really shouldn't be surprised that Alexa is ending. But anyway, so let me do screen record. Okay, so from the Alexa app, when you first log in, the screen is normally blank, or it has been blank for me. You want to click more at the very bottom right side, click more, and then click list and notes, and then shopping. Now from this page, it basically shows you all of the offers that you still have on here. It shows you all the ones you have, so you could still see the offers that you have available right here. But as you can see, a lot of mines are expired. All right, so that's how you can actually see what you have available, right? Now, for deals, when you click deals, normally when you click deals and then you click other retailers, it lists your rebates and stuff, right? But that page is now blank. But you can still submit receipts by clicking Get Paid. Now, a few of you guys were saying you've been having issues with Alexa lately, rejecting receipts, and it did reject my CoverGirl one from CVS. And I assume that's because I had a coupon. But I did have 2 products. So I was going to put a ticket in. I tried to submit it twice and it declined it both times. And so you could still submit for rebates that you already have, but you can't actually, it doesn't list them on the deals and then other retailers page like we are normally used to seeing it. So for those of you who say your Alexa is gone, try that. Let me know if that works out for you. Other than that, you guys, I hope this video helps. I just wanted to make it really, really quick just to just keep you guys in the loop or whatever. And so if you have any other questions, any issues, concerns, leave them in the comments. Big shout out to all of you guys that are, a lot of you guys are communicating back and forth and being super duper freaking helpful in the comments. I totally appreciate that. And so if anything pops up, I will pin a comment to this video. I'll do Walmart's video tomorrow, Saturday. And so if there's anything that's new, I'll let you guys know tomorrow. Or maybe I'll put up a community post as well. But a lot of you guys don't see the community post. That's why I really don't use it as much. And so other than that, as always, I appreciate you guys watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.